What's going on, friends? Tim Knack with Perkins Roofing here, and I want to give you an opportunity to send me questions. I've been doing these videos for a long time. I'm answering a lot of questions that I get asked in person a lot when I'm doing estimates with people or from other roofers who I consult with. They ask me questions on how I can help them. So now it's winter. We're entering slow season. I want to give you an opportunity to ask me a question. So please email any questions you have to tim@perkinsroofing.net, and I will answer your questions in my next video. I'm going to make a video just answering the questions that you guys send me, guys and gals. So guys and gals, feel free to send me any questions you may have, tim@perkinsroofing.net, and I will answer it in the next video as long as it's a reasonable question. Hit me up, tim@perkinsroofing.net. Frequently asked questions video coming soon.